just to be on this earth, and I know that it was a gift for me, and I know that my dreams are coming true. Yeah, I know I turned 23. Feels like I want to spread my wings and fly to my dreams, 'cause I know that I found love everywhere. He's the one for me, he's the one that loves me. I'm gonna spread my wings like a blue songbird that shines up the night, that lights up the night. I'm gonna spread my wings like a blue songbird. Just be who you are, shine like a star. Oh, shining like a blue songbird. Ooh, oh, ooh, oh, blue songbird, hey. I am the birthday queen, and I light up my heart when I care for others. Yeah, I have a family that loves me for me, that never gives up on me. And now I feel so free to live my life, to see another beautiful day, to do what's right, 'cause I know that this is my special day. I'm gonna spread my wings like a blue songbird that lights up the night, that lights up the night. I'm gonna shine my wings like a blue songbird, 'cause I know that my dreams are coming true. Oh, blue songbird. Oh, la 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 la. Oh, la 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 la. Oh, oh. My dreams are coming true. I'm the birthday queen. I can't wait for it. This is the time to celebrate and be blessed and thankful. I want to thank God for letting me see another birthday, 'cause I'm grateful. Yet I'm grateful. La 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 la, blue songbird. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Oh. I'm gonna spread my wings like a blue songbird that lights up the night, that lights up the night. Gonna spread my wings like a blue songbird. My dreams are coming true. They coming true. I'm gonna spread my wings like a blue songbird that lights up the night, that lights up the night. I'm gonna spread my wings like a beautiful songbird that lights up the night, that lights up the night. Blue songbird. La 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 la. Gonna sound and sing like a blue songbird. Oh, blue songbird. La 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 la, blue songbird. La 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 la. Oh, gonna spread my wings like a blue songbird. La 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 la, blue songbird. La 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 la, blue songbird. Hi guys, as you can see, tomorrow is my birthday. I want to dedicate this song to all the birthdays, and I just want to thank the Lord for letting me see another beautiful birthday. And I want to thank all my family members that have been there for me. I want to thank my friends and my family, and of course my lovely boyfriend Jacoby Finney. I love you so much, baby. I cannot wait. My birthday party is Saturday, and I'm also going to be celebrating it with my father. I can't wait to see everybody. I love you guys. I want to also dedicate this song to my best friend, Johanna Hagler. Her birthday is today, y'all, so show her some love. Happy birthday, bestie. I love you so much, and thank you so much for being a true friend to me and always sticking by me. Love y'all so much. Please enjoy my hit single called Blue Songbird. Bye. Happy birthday to us.